Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quick 5-minute guide to show you how to do really well at Christmas or any time of the year, but especially at around Christmas time, around now, with Amazon affiliates. This will work really well. It's tried and tested. It works really well. So I'm going to whiz through it and show you exactly how it's done. If you want to do it together, do check out the link below. I've still got the guaranteed site builder. I'm going to shut this down probably in the next 2 or 3 days, maybe sooner. I've kept it open. You'll get a guaranteed site that makes money. 20-page or 40-page option. There's also loads of bonuses, all the training that you need. You get the group coaching. You get A's on niche profits, so you'll get a niche every single month with all of the content and exactly how to market it. And you get the exact how to, and more importantly, you get a site built for you that's guaranteed to make sales. Otherwise, I keep on working on it until it does. Do check out the video. I'm going to take it down very shortly, and then I'm going to relaunch it at a higher price point without the bonuses. So if you want to do this technique that I'm going to give you, this strategy that I'm going to give you right now, if you want to do it together and just get up and running and just make some money, this is exactly how you do it. So I'll just guide you through it, and check out the information in the description if you're watching on YouTube. On Facebook, check out the information in the box and you'll find all the information on this, and I'd love to work with you on it and get it done and get you making some money. Okay, so this is the strategy. No reason to spend ages and ages on this. It's really simple. I'm going to show you some keywords, some searches, and exactly how to set up the site. So one of the best things you can do right now, if you want to have a good paying site with Amazon affiliates that you can build up into an authority site really easily, and you want to get high priced items, so you can do the same thing with like Christmas toys and so on, but I want to give you some different niches and so on, is just do a top 10 site. And the way you structure it, so bear with me with that because there's a few things that you need. You see here, I've gone to cnet.com. I'm going to show you something in a minute that you can use as a resource, which makes it really easy. I've picked out best headphones. I'll show you some more in a second that are really good. But they've done all the work for you in terms of picking out the best headphones. Now, I'm not on about copying CNET and copying their content because you won't rank anyway. I'll show you how to set the site up in a second. But you've got all of the top headphones here. And what I did is I just took the first one that I saw, the Jabra Elite Active, and I got some keywords for it. And you can see Jabra Elite, 1,600 searches. Jabra is there. Okay. 18,000 searches, 14,000 a month this is. So if we just look at the Jabra ones alone, the only question that will come up is, well, the site won't rank. But the way I recommend you do it is you set the site up, top headphones for 2018, and I'll give you a little trick as well that I'm going to tell you in a second. Really simple. You set the site up, you do the reviews exactly like I say, just some proof. Again, going back to the portable power generator, that's got 12 reviews on that. Sorry, it's got 10 reviews on that site and it's making sales. Just been looking in the webmaster tools, 40 clicks this month. The impressions are going up, the positions are going up, the clicks are going up, the sales are going up, and it's a really new site. So I can almost guarantee you, if you set a site up like this, you will make sales. I'll tell you another thing, the portable power generator niche isn't easy to get into. It's quite competitive. It doesn't matter at all. Most people haven't got proper sites out there, okay? They haven't got sites. I'm talking about, as long as you understand this, you need a real site with real content. I can't stress that enough. If you're just going to follow this technique and throw up some content or push button site, it just won't work. If you're just going to throw up some YouTube videos linking to Amazon or linking to your site half-heartedly, it's not going to get the clicks through, okay? The only way that you can make real money with Amazon affiliates and SEO, I'm not talking about paid traffic, is to have a real site that ranks via SEO with good content and strong call to actions, okay? I'm not going to talk about that too much in this video because that would be an entire course. But again, if you want to do it together, check out the link below and you'll get all that stuff. What I do recommend, so assuming you know how to do that, is set up categories for wireless, noise cancelling, sports, truly wireless. You don't have to do every category they got on CNET or Copy, but you could use some as ideas, okay, just for this niche. I'll show you some more niches in a minute. When you do that, and when you actually do a proper review on the Jabra Elite, a proper review on the Sony, yeah, it takes some time, but just break it down. They're high priced items, they're quite good commission rates. The headphones, like the second best on Amazon. And if you did, I recommend doing all of these as reviews, okay, a good 10, 15, 20 reviews, you'll be seeing sales. And then the way you structure the site is you have the site called Best Headphones for 2018. I'll show you another niche in a second. Put some buying guides on it. Okay, so we've looked at the best headphones, but we can also see that they've got buying guides. I'm not on about copying CNET here. I have to keep saying that because it's not going to work, okay? But I am on about you've got plenty of ideas for research where you can form your own content, a really, really good review site. If you're going to do the buying guides, what you want to definitely make sure is that each of your reviews has about 1,000 words and your buying guides have 5,000 to 10,000 words. A lot of work, but you're going to link it all back together and it will work really, really well. I'll just show you another few niches so you can see. Okay, these are all great. The reason I'm saying this as well is that technology does really, really well. Especially at Christmas because people buy technology, and you've got so many different niches here that are CNET, so it will be technology based, but there's some really, really good niches here that you can get in. The way you escape the competition, you can see going down here, look, best coffee makers, best desktops, best stoves, best small appliances, best Blu-ray players. The way you escape the competition is this. Look, if we go to a random one like GPS systems, doesn't matter what niche it is. When we go down here, what you'll quite commonly find is different types of product. Okay, so with this one, ironically, because I've clicked on it and I'm showing you like Murphy's Law, it's not showing different types. But this one would be good, I'll just tell you, because you've got like the serial number on it, the 3597LM, and you would get rankings. The way you do it is you'd set the site up, you put all your reviews on first, then you do a few big buying guides and link all the content together. Okay, then you'd branch out and do your top in this case top GPS for 2018 and have your top 10, top 20 list and have that all linking back to your content. Before you do any of that, so before you actually do any of that, you'd make sure that you'd have tracking on the site, all the standard stuff I talk about, so you can actually see what people are seeing. And then you could add in some Christmas phrases as well. So shopping for a GPS for Christmas in 2018, here's our top choices, and you get easy rankings and easy sales, assuming you've got all this content on the site. And then here's another thing that you can do. You can add in 2019 phrases. Okay, so you do another chart and say here's a preview of what we consider to be the best headphones or GPS systems for 2019, and you're getting picked up on all those 2019 keyword searches, and there are people typing it in. Look, best portable generators 2018, and not a lot of impressions, but that's down on page 5. Okay, so as it goes up, it's going to go up, go up, go up, and again, that's a site with a small amount of content on. So that is how simple it is. A couple of ground rules so it actually works for you. Again, I won't stop saying this because it's the most important thing. If you do, let me just go back to show you. Okay, best video game consoles, best DVRs, best camcorders, loads of niches that you can have a go at. I recommend doing at least 10 to 20 product reviews with 1,000 words each. Linking them together as I teach, very, very important. Okay, this is the site needs to be done properly. I can't stress enough. If you're watching this and you're going, okay, that sounds good, but I don't think I can rank. Here's how you can virtually guarantee rankings. And it's the way that no one talks about because it's not fun, it's not like cool, it's not sexy. The way you guarantee rankings is by building proper sites. That's it. Okay, I've been building SEO driven sites for 15 years, not just in Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, for clients, and the way you rank has remained the same. Okay, you can go on about all the technical stuff, but good content, interlinking content will start to give you rankings. You can then expand on that and start going into LSI key phrases and start going into a silo site setup and start putting a banner on your site. But if you're sat there with no money coming in, do it this way. Just get a half decent site out there, interlink the content where relevant to do so. Make sure that you know to build the site properly. If you don't, do consider the offer below and we can build one together. Well, I do it all for you, but you know what I mean. We'll work together, get a 20 page or a 40 page, and you get all the training. There's no way to get past that. If you're frustrated with Amazon because of push button sites, if you're not getting any results, it is, I'll tell you the secret. If you're not getting any results with Amazon affiliates, it's because you're not getting any traffic. If you're not getting any traffic, it's because you either don't have enough content on your site. If you've got those push button sites, you know that you have enough content. It's just that it's not going to rank. Not on SEO terms anyway. So the way you get traffic is by having a real site, getting ranked on Google. So these are actual rankings coming in. Okay, let me show you the position here, okay? So that's an actual ranking that people will see and click and buy. In fact, one of them sold this week. Okay, ranking in at 6.7. That's the real ranking. You need them. That's where your traffic comes from. So you need to know how to do it properly. If you don't know how to do it properly, or if you're putting it off, just get going on it and it will work. Look, power generator for camping in at number 13. Clicks are going up. I look at this for clicks up the top. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Don't make it any more complicated than that. Do that around Christmas. That's a specific strategy for Christmas. If you want some high paying niches, set out a plan to do that, and you will have a site that not only will do really, really well at Christmas, but do well all year. Okay, if you're really concerned about the 2018, and just make sure the domain name is fresh. What I mean is, like, doesn't have 2018 in it, so you could have like top smart home device guru, something like that, or smart home device guru, and then you can put your 2018, your 2019 key phrases on it, and the site will do well all 2019, all 2018, do really well at Christmas, and well done, you've got the start of a business. You can then build it up, sell it on, or build another site and do lots of these in different niches and connect them all together and have a massive shopping hub. That's as simple. I know the work's involved, okay? I'm not talking about the work. I'm talking about, don't spend so long on the plan because it works, okay? If you're following this video, don't spend so long on the plan. Spend all your time, 90% of time, on implementation and not second guessing everything. That is my advice to you. If you're not making any money online, it will be because of a focus problem, i.e. the work's not getting done for whatever reason, not knowing how to build the sites, and second guessing everything. And if you do that, you just go round and round and round. And I wish you luck, but that it will just drive you crazy in the end. Okay, so follow that and do what I said. Get a site out there, 10, 20 product reviews, 1,000 words, unique content, your buyer's guide, your big buyer's guide, link them back, stick tracking on it, and send me your stats. Send me your stats and I can virtually guarantee you sales. That's how simple it is. If you want to do it together and you're like, oh, Chris, I understand, but I just don't think I can do it. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. A guaranteed site builder that makes money, makes sales, or I carry on working until it does. We'll build you a plan. We can follow this exact plan if you want to. We don't have to follow this exact plan, but that's one of the ways that you can make money really quickly, really effectively with Amazon. So if you want the training, if you want a free niche every month, A's on Niche Profits, the Sonos Beam PLR, really good niche as well coming up to Christmas. Coaching on exactly how to build the sites and a full guarantee of sales and a Skype call for the plan. Let's go for it. But bear in mind, I'm shutting this page down in the next few days because I'm relaunching at a higher price. So if you want in, get in and let's do that plan. I hope that helps. Give us a thumbs up if that helped you. And I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.